Okay, after finish download Windows Server 2022, we can close our browser. Okay, now we will start create our virtual machine. I'm using VMware Workstation Pro. Okay, right click our VMware Workstation Pro and select Run as Administrator. Okay, yes. Okay, then from the Home tab, okay, make sure you are at Home tab. Click Create New Virtual Machine. Select Typical. Next. Then select I will install the operating system later. Next. And then select Microsoft Windows. Then in my list, Microsoft Windows only have Windows Server 2019. No problem, just select it. Select the highest version. Okay, in my version only 2019 the highest. Okay, I'm select 2019 and then click next. Okay, now rename our virtual machine. Okay, let's say we set it as server 2022. This one is server 1. Okay, then browse the location. Okay, I will save in C drive in the folder. Okay, in my class folder. Okay, 3A. You can say anywhere you want. Okay, I prefer this. C 3A. Then make new folder. Okay. Usually I use the same name with the virtual machine name. Okay, select, then click OK. Okay, check, double check. Okay, the server name, virtual machine name, and the location. Okay, click next. Okay, this is default size. Okay, but we change it to 100 gig. Okay, select store virtual disk as single file. Click next. Okay, then customize hardware. Okay, memory 4 gig. And processor is set to 4 2 times 2 4 core. Okay, then DVD. Okay, then DVD select use ISO image, click browse. Okay, then browse to our ISO Windows Server 2022. Okay, my server ISO I save in here. Okay, select. Make sure you select the right ISO. Then click open. Okay, double check back. Okay, yes, it's correct. Then click network adapter. Okay, make sure you select bridge replicate physical network. Okay, that's it. Double check. Memory 4 gig, processor 4. Okay, CD image. Okay, the network bridge. Close. Okay, click finish. Okay, now we have our virtual machine. Okay, then now we start. Click power on this virtual machine. Okay, press any key. If the VMware have any pop-up, just this I finish installing. Click I finish installing. Okay, now language. I prefer English. US. You can choose whatever English language you want. Okay, click next. Okay, click install now. Okay, then we use arrow key on the keyboard. Okay, select Windows Server 2022 Data Center Evolution. Okay, this is full full Windows graphical environment. Okay, if we choose the third one, is a common shell, no graphical. Okay, we use the last one, full graphical. Then click next. Tick I accept. Next. Okay, select custom. Then make sure You select your hard disk 100 gig, then click new, select all size, click apply, click OK, and make sure select the primary partition, click next. Okay, you can sit back and wait, grab some snack, enjoy. Now the VMware asks to install a tool. Just click never remind me. Okay, almost done. Okay, now installing features, installing updates. Okay, finish. Now restarting in 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now set your administrator password. Okay, this is exercise. I will use p alias ssw0rd. Okay, p alias ssw0rd. Okay, click finish. Press Ctrl Alternate Delete to unlock. Okay, now we use VMware virtual machine. Okay, we cannot use our keyboard to press Ctrl Alternate Delete because it will go to our host, not the virtual machine. To use Ctrl Alternate Delete to unlock the virtual machine screen, go to VM, select Send Ctrl Alternate Delete. Okay, now enter administrator password. Do you want to allow PC? No. Tick this, don't show this. Let's say again. Okay, now finish. We already done our installation for Windows Server 2022. Okay, good luck.